Okay, hello. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a chatbot and work with WhatsApp, and that the information of your order is saved in a Google Sheet like here. Okay, first I will show you how it works and then I will explain how you can implement it at your way. Okay, I will explain something short because later I will explain detail. Here we have the QR that connects to our cell phone and our talking same. And here we have the app script that later will explain how it works. And if we go to these parts, conversation, we have the conversation flow that the bot needs to follow. And if you want, you can modify it as you like, but I will keep it that way just for explanation. The meaning of these words will appear above each word. I only change the flow of the conversation. I only change this so that you understand me better. Okay, to enable our bot, we need to go to this part called WhatsApp, and we press the second. Here, we say yes, and we wait a few moments, and our bot will be enabled. Okay, don't forget that our bot only responds these words. So this, and we just wait. Okay, say that our bot is enabled, so we press OK, and we are gonna go to WhatsApp and talk to our bot. Okay, this is my chat bot. We're gonna just start talking. Okay, for example, hello. Okay, hello, I will help you request your order. Send the number of the option you want. Okay, number one. Okay, I want apple, for example. Enter the amount. Three. Yes, keep adding. Yeah, watermelon, for example. Yeah, eight. And now finish order. Enter your name, and for example, okay. Okay, here he say that our order is registered and our code is this. And if we return to this part in orders, we can see that our order is saved here. Look. So, okay, as you will see, it's simple. Now I will show you how to implement it at your way. Okay, and we enter the link here. It's the same, don't worry. Just this is another account. Okay, now we need to go to the part that says file, and we go to the part where it says make a copy here. Now if we want, we can delete this part, like me for example, and we're gonna go to make a copy. Okay, here we have our flow conversation, and if you want to change the topic of conversation, you just do it, always respecting the structure. Okay, now we need to go to this part here. Here you look, and now we press where it says app script in extension. We press where it says app script here. Now automatically go to this page with the app script already done. You can see it. And then we're gonna go to the part where it says run, and we press where it says run, and we authorize everything they ask us. Review permission, okay, our account, advance, go to bot order, allow. Okay, here we say that all the things is correct, so we can go to this part that says deploy, and we're gonna go to press new deployment. Okay, we're gonna write something, for example, one deploy. Okay, this is important because we need to copy this URL. We're gonna go to copy this, and we are gonna go back to this part. We delete this app script, and we're gonna go to paste the new app script. Okay, now how we can obtain our QR? Just we need to go to the part where it says generate token. So here, okay, yes, a new code will appear. We need to wait a few moments. Okay, here is our new token, but I will go to the other page because my token was already put there, and to explain faster. Okay, okay, we come back to our page, and we use, okay, we here we have our token, and it's put with our phone, so don't worry. Now, okay, now with a new code will appear here that we need to our cell phone to activate it. Okay, ready connect with our cell phone, and the token will appear automatically. To finish, we go back to the part where it says WhatsApp, and we put enable bot. We wait a few moments, and our bot would already be enabled. Well, as you will see, it's simple.